In this experiment, we are going to prove that like poles of a magnet repel each other and unlike poles of a magnet attract each other. The materials required for this experiment are 2 bar magnets, a stand, and a thread using which we will suspend one of the magnets.
Let's have a look at the experiment, how it is to be performed. So this is the setup you will require: a stand on which I have suspended a bar magnet freely using a thread. So on having a closer look at the bar magnet, you will see this dot marked at one end. This indicates the north pole of the magnet, whereas the other end does not have any dot on it. So this is an identification used to identify which is the north pole of a magnet and which is the south pole. Also, a freely suspended magnet always aligns itself in the north-south direction. So if you look at this setup closely, this is the south end of the magnet, because currently the way I am sitting, I am facing the south, and this is the north end of the magnet. So what we need to study here is that like poles of a magnet repel each other and unlike poles attract each other. Let's have a closer view at this setup. This is the south pole of the magnet and this is the north pole of my magnet. So if I bring the north pole close to the south pole, just see what happens. Oh, it comes and sticks to it. That means they are attracting each other. But what happens if I bring the south pole of my magnet close to the south pole of this magnet? It turns and the north comes and sticks to the south. So you can see this is the north pole of the magnet I was holding in my hand, and this is the north pole of that magnet which was suspended freely, and north and south, they have attracted each other. We can see this in a better way by using another magnet. So this is the north pole and this is the north pole. So if I bring north close to north, just look what happens. It's moving away. Oh my God, why is it running away? It's running away, it's repelling. And what if I bring south close to north? It attracts. So yes, this shows that like poles of a magnet repel each other and unlike poles of a magnet attract each other.